This session is designed to help you release the emotional burden of toxic relationships and rebuild your confidence and self-worth. Please ensure you're in a quiet, comfortable space where you can fully relax. Do not listen while driving or operating machinery. A full disclaimer is available in the description below. Let's begin. Welcome to Soul Hypno Vibe. I'm Jocelyn, and today's session is dedicated to helping you release the pain and weight of toxic relationships and reclaim your confidence and self-worth. Toxic relationships can leave emotional scars that challenge your sense of self. But through this session, you'll begin to release the past, reconnect with your inner strength, and step into a brighter, more empowered future. If this session resonates with you, please consider supporting Soul Hypno Vibe by buying me a coffee at www.buymeacoffee.com/soulhypnovibe. Your support helps me create more healing and empowering content for you. Now, find a comfortable position where you can fully relax. Close your eyes, take a slow, deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of the tension in your body. Allow yourself to settle into this moment. This is your time to heal, to release, and to rebuild. Let's begin by grounding yourself and letting go of the emotional weight of the toxic relationship. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment. And exhale slowly through your mouth. With each exhale, imagine releasing the heaviness in your chest, the tension in your shoulders, and the lingering doubts in your mind. Feel your body softening, becoming lighter with every breath. Now, imagine yourself standing barefoot on a soft patch of earth. With every inhale, feel the strength of the earth rising up through your feet, grounding and supporting you. With every exhale, let the earth absorb the weight of your pain, anger, or sadness. Picture these emotions leaving your body and dissolving into the ground, transforming into energy that no longer burdens you. Visualize a dark cord attached to you. This cord represents the toxic relationship and the pain it has caused. See this cord fraying, becoming weaker with every breath. When you're ready, picture yourself holding a pair of golden scissors. Gently, but with certainty, cut the cord. Watch as it falls away, leaving you free and unburdened. Silently affirm, I release all ties to toxic relationships. I free myself from pain, negativity, and control. I am open to peace, healing, and self-love. Now that you've released the weight of the past, it's time to reclaim your inner strength and reconnect with your true self. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine a warm, golden light forming in the center of your chest. This light represents your inner power, the part of you that is unbreakable, resilient, and whole. With every inhale, this light grows brighter, filling your body with strength and confidence. Visualize this light spreading outward, forming a protective shield around you. This shield represents your boundaries, your voice, and your self-worth. Feel how strong and secure you are within this shield. No negativity, manipulation, or toxicity can penetrate it. You are in control of your life and your emotions. Now picture yourself standing tall, radiating confidence. See yourself making decisions that honor your needs and values. Feel the strength returning to your voice, your actions, and your choices. You are reclaiming every part of yourself that was lost or diminished in the toxic relationship. Silently affirm, I am strong, resilient, and whole. I honor my needs and protect my boundaries. I reclaim my identity and my power. Let's focus on rebuilding your confidence and rediscovering your self-worth. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, imagine a mirror appearing in front of you. In this mirror, see the best version of yourself. Radiant, confident, and full of self-love. Notice the strength in your eyes, the kindness in your smile, and the peace in your presence. As you look into the mirror, silently repeat these affirmations. I am worthy of love, respect, and kindness. I believe in my ability to create a joyful and fulfilling life. I love and accept myself completely. Now step forward in your mind and embrace the person in the mirror. Feel the warmth and love of this embrace. You are reconnecting with your truest self, the version of you that is unshakable and filled with potential. Let's create a vision of your life free from the shadows of toxic relationships. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, imagine stepping into a future where you are completely healed and thriving. Picture yourself in a space that feels safe, joyful, and uniquely yours. This could be your dream home, a peaceful garden, or a vibrant social circle. In this vision, you are surrounded by people who uplift and support you. These relationships are built on mutual respect, trust, and care. Feel the warmth of these connections and the joy they bring to your life. Reflect on these questions. What does it feel like to live free from toxic influences? How do you nurture relationships that uplift and empower you? What emotions arise as you embrace this vision of freedom and happiness? Let this vision grow vivid in your mind. This is your reality, one that you are creating with every positive choice and action. To fully embrace your freedom, let's anchor this transformation deeply within you. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, imagine a golden chain breaking away from your heart. This chain represents the remnants of pain, control, or doubt. As it dissolves, feel your heart expanding, radiating love, confidence, and peace. Now, visualize yourself walking forward, surrounded by light. This light represents your new path, a life filled with love, respect, and freedom. You are no longer tied to the past. You are moving forward with clarity, strength, and grace. Silently affirm, I am free from the past and open to a bright future. I trust myself to make decisions that honor my happiness. My life is filled with love, respect, and fulfillment. Let's reinforce your transformation with affirmations for healing and growth. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, repeat these affirmations silently or aloud. I release all pain and negativity tied to the past. I am strong, confident, and worthy of love. I attract relationships that uplift and empower me. I trust myself to create a life of joy and fulfillment. My heart is open to peace, healing, and happiness. Feel these affirmations becoming part of your core truth, grounding you in strength and possibility. As we bring this session to a close, carry this sense of freedom, confidence, and self-worth with you into your day. In a moment, I'll count from 1 to 5. With each number, you'll gently return to full awareness, bringing with you the clarity, strength, and peace cultivated here. 1. Feeling the surface beneath you and the air around you. 2. Becoming aware of the lightness and strength within you. 3. Taking a deep breath, feeling positive and inspired. 4. Becoming more awake, present, and ready to embrace your life. 5. Gently opening your eyes, fully awake, fully present, and ready to move forward with confidence. Thank you for joining me today at Soul Hypno Vibe. I look forward to seeing you in the next session.